Hello, good morning, dear beloved children, students, and friends. It is me, Suresh Bharadwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Yes, today, come on, please, let us learn how to change from active voice into passive voice, from active to passive. Sentence or structure in active voice to be changed into passive voice. Let us learn how to do so. Voice that is of two kinds, active voice and passive voice. Active voice, example, Hindi example, माया एक गाना गाती है, गाना गाती है. माया सब्जेक्ट, गाना ऑब्जेक्ट, गाती है. माया द्वारा एक गाना गाया जाता है. मीनिंग रिमेन्स द सेम. मीनिंग, सेंस or meaning that remains the same, but structure slightly changes here. Structure changes. System, okay, is slightly changed, but meaning remains the same. Maya sings a song. Maya subject, sings verb, and song object. In active voice, subject is head word, principal word, okay, and this subject acts, performs an action. Subject here, Maya, performs an action. Agent, doer of action. Subject, doer of action. And now Maya, this is much more emphasis on Maya, on subject. Much more information about subject is given in active voice. Active, ये subject is head word, principal word, much more information about subject, and subject performs an action, performer of action, agent of action. So this is now active voice. माया प्रमुख शब्द है इस वाक्य में. ज्यादा सूचना माया के विषय में है, इसके ऊपर ज्यादा प्रकाश डालता है. यही मुख्य शब्द हो गया, इसके विषय में सूचना दी जा रही है. और यही सब्जेक्ट माया कार्य को करने वाला है, परफॉर्मर है, करता है. तो दिस इज नाउ एक्टिव वॉइस. तो व्हाइल चेंजिंग इनटू माया सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग, ऑब्जेक्ट को प्रधान बना देंगे. सॉन्ग ऑब्जेक्ट है, गाना ऑब्जेक्ट है. अब इसको मुख्य बनाएंगे. इसके अनुसार इज एंड ऑर. Verb, principal verb, S, ES, IES to be changed into, not to be changed into, but replaced by, okay, according to subject, according to number, gender, person of object is and are to be used, followed by verb third form. A song, singular, so is verb third form, sung. A song is sung by Maya. Maya, doer of action, by Maya. A song is sung by Maya. Here you see is sung. Okay. Here it is object, but here a song, here object. But it has become very means head word, principal word. In this structure, principal word, much more information about song. Song is emphasized. In this way, this song is acted upon, is sung, okay, this is verb. Acted upon song, इज संग, संग ये जो है इस पर इसको संपादित कर रहा है, संपादित हो रहा है, और यहाँ पर माया काम कर रही है, काम कर रही है, परफॉर्मर है, और यहाँ पर ये सॉन्ग को ये संपादित करता है। तो सब्जेक्ट एक्ट्स, हियर सब्जेक्ट एक्ट्स एंड हियर सब्जेक्ट इज एक्टेड अपॉन। ओके, माया द्वारा एक गाना गाया जाता है। अ सॉन्ग इज सung बाय माया, अ सॉन्ग इज sung बाय माया is MR followed by verb third form. Is MR is he, she, it singular subject, and I, that is only for I, and are plural subject, plural subject, are I, sorry, we, you, they, for I, we, you, they are to be used. We teach you, हम आपको पढ़ाते हैं. You here, then are, you are, verb third form, teach, taught, taught, taught by us, us, we, us, you are taught by us. I write a letter, a letter object here, a letter is written by me. You eat bread, you eat bread, bread object is eaten by you. He beats the children, he beats, वो मारता है, the children, बच्चों को वो मारता है. The children are beaten by him, उसके द्वारा बच्चे मारे जाते हैं. जाता है, जाती है इत्यादि, उसके द्वारा बच्चे मारे जाते हैं. And you see here, by Maya, by us, by me, by you, by him. If it is necessary to mention, it is necessary to describe, doer of action, describe. Otherwise, you may, if not necessary, so please don't describe. Okay? Necessary if necessary. If it is needed to describe, needed to mention, in that case mention, otherwise it would be left out. Example has been given here. For your negative structure, a song just before principal verb is not sung by Maya. Not taught. You are not taught by us. You are taught by us, not taught by us. Negative. Interrogative to get yes no response. In that case, is MR helping verb of passive voice. Take it out. Use before the structure to get yes no response. Is a letter written by me? Is a letter written by me? Is a bread is eaten by you? Is then bread eaten by you? Not eaten by you? Is the bread not eaten by you? Question. Question with helping verb. Question with interrogative words. Examples have been given. Okay, on the basis of these above sentences written above. Who are bitten by him? Who are bitten by children? You see here, the children are bitten by him. So who are bitten by? Who are bitten? If necessary to mention by him, then mention. Otherwise, who are bitten by him? What is eaten? Bread is eaten. What is eaten? What is eaten? Why is a song sung? A song is sung by Maya. Why? Then helping verb. Why is a song sung by Maya? Why is a song sung by Maya? When are you taught by us. You are taught. You are taught by us. When, followed by are. When are you taught by us? Again, question has been framed here. Interrogative sentence has been framed here. How is a song sung by Maya? How is a song sung by Maya? If you want to use, then if you want to use very superfluously, by maybe left out. A song is sung, a bread is eaten, I am taught, you are fed, we are tortured. Likely so many other sentences you may frame, okay, without mentioning doer of action, subject of an action, performer of an action. Who are taught, who are fed, why are children fed, etc. A letter is written, water is taken, food is eaten, children are taught, building is built, okay. In this way, without using by action or doer, performer, you may superfluously, you may interrogate other sentences. Interrogative sentences, negative sentences, affirmative sentences, you may use without using by, such and such. Okay, dear beloved children, now please watch a full video and try to learn more and more. Please do like, share and subscribe. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you all.